This video explains how you can set up column and row cross-referencing. If you note, my columns are numbered 1 to 8, my rows are numbered A to F. If we open up the title border, you will see that 8 columns have been added and 6 rows have been added by using the Add Attributes, Miscellaneous, Rows and Columns. These have been inserted starting from the middle and working out on a 50mm pitch in accordance with IEC standards. So you will note that the first row and the last row is less than 50mm or appears to be less than 50mm. In actual fact, the start position is roughly around about where my crosshairs are. This is set up at 298.5 in the Y and in the X at 10mm in. You can see the width of the column is 50 and the height of the row is minus 50. The number of first row is number 1. You may expect ABC, but all you need to do is set this to 1, and later on 1 will be replaced by A, B, C, D, etc. If we have a look at the properties of the project and mark, you'll see that we've set up the origin and destination to include column and row cross-referencing, the column tag, the row tag, but the most important thing is that the row numbering system is set to characters with row order numbers. We can select the FX, which is similar to the icon in Microsoft Excel, and this is one of the predefined formulas already set within ElecWorks. Setting this value will automatically get you the A, B, C, D, E, F row numbering.